Here's how to easily send a message or an email on Canvas. First thing you're going to need is when you actually sign into your Canvas dashboard, what you can see I am right here, we want to go into the option called Inbox in just the left side of the screen. And when you click on Inbox, it's basically a built-in email to Canvas, which will only allow you to actually email people that are within your Canvas schooling system or organization. And how you can email someone is you can click on this compose option right here. You can see I have no conversations at the current moment, but we click on compose and you can choose which course you want to send it to. If you want to send it to a certain course, you can click on the course, whether I want it to be Economics 101 or Math 101. You can actually choose an individual and search for names or teachers within these individualized courses. And when you do that, you can actually choose your student or person that you want to email it to, and you can actually choose to include an observer, which is basically copying someone if you want them to see a copy but not to be directly emailed through this message. And once you've actually written the subject of your message, you can basically write your email in this page right here and just put your name in at the end, of course, just however you want this email. And you can even add an attachment. If I want to add this nice image right here, you can actually see you can easily include that in an email or record a video or comment and click on send, and that will easily allow you to send a message in Canvas. And if we refresh this page, you can actually see that you can filter this by sent emails, which you can see right here. You can easily click on to actually view any of these emails, and any of these responses will just show up on this left hand section of your Canvas page.